2025 Hyundai Bayon Hybrid. Specs and price rumors that'll shock you. The 2025 Hyundai Bayon Hybrid is making waves in the automotive world as rumors circulate about its anticipated features, pricing, and release date. As Hyundai's compact crossover continues to impress, a hybrid version could be the next step in solidifying its position as a leader in affordable eco-friendly vehicles. Fans are eager to see how Hyundai will approach this hybrid upgrade.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
Speculation suggests the Bayon Hybrid will incorporate a refined version of Hyundai's Smartstream hybrid technology, delivering a blend of fuel efficiency and performance. Industry insiders believe it may feature a 1.6-liter engine paired with an electric motor, offering up to 140 horsepower. This setup could make the Bayon Hybrid ideal for urban commutes and long-distance trips alike, setting it apart from competitors in the segment. On the design front, the 2025 Bayon Hybrid is rumored to adopt a sleeker and more futuristic aesthetic. Spy shots hint at slimmer LED lighting, a revamped grille, and aerodynamic tweaks that not only improve visuals, but also enhance efficiency. Inside, Hyundai might introduce premium upgrades like a larger touchscreen, advanced driver assistance systems, and enhanced upholstery options. As for the price, the Bayon Hybrid is expected to start at an attractive €23,000, making it one of the most affordable hybrid SUVs on the market. With a focus on practicality and value, Hyundai seems poised to appeal to eco-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on style or functionality. The release date remains speculative, but many experts predict a reveal in early 2024, with sales starting later that year. Hyundai has been tight-lipped, fueling excitement among fans eagerly waiting to see how this hybrid variant will stack up against competitors, such as the Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid. If the rumors are true, the 2025 Hyundai Bayon Hybrid could redefine the expectations for affordable hybrid SUVs. Its combination of modern design, efficiency, and competitive pricing has the potential to capture the attention of a wide range of buyers. Keep an eye out for official updates as Hyundai gears up for what could be a groundbreaking launch.